Hello everyone, welcome back with us again. Good afternoon. Welcome to our interview show. Today is very special. We should be excited because we have a special guest, a young entrepreneur who successfully built his own technology and automotive company. We're going to talk about how he started his business, the challenge he faced, and of course his tips for young people who want to be like him. So let's give a warm welcome to our guest, Mr. Alif Firdaus. Hello, Mr. Alif.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine because I got a new project in my company.
Okay. I know you. You are very success entrepreneur. Okay. I'm curious about your life, so I will give you several questions to fulfill the netizen. Okay, to fulfill netizen question.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing that I'm curious, how how did you start your technology and automotive company, and what inspired you to do it?
Okay, so uh, the first thing I want to tell you is my company is focused on hybrid engine innovation. So I started my business because of my strong passion for cars. Uh, you know, I always felt that sport cars are not really efficient in fuel. Of course, they're very fast, but they are not really durable,
Yes.
and they're not really enjoyable to drive. But on the other side, strong cars they are really durable, but not as fast as sports car, and they also not really enjoyable to drive. And these two cars they cannot uh, they cannot walk in different kinds of roads.
Oh.
Yeah, they're not really adaptable to any kind of roads.
Whoa.
So
That's
the
it.
focus of my company is to create engines and cars that really strong, not as fast, but also strong and adaptable to every kind of road.
So
And-
you mean your car will be right in the sea, on the water?
No, but what I want to say is they not just can walk in smooth road, but
Oh.
also in different kind of places.
Oh yes, said. Okay, that's
Then
enough.
no, that dream pushed me to begin me to experimenting with sport hybrid, and I started my business from a small garage in my home, and with all of my dedication and of course my curiosity to engine, so that I can make this result today.
Wow, that's very interesting. Uh, from the small business in the house, and you develop it to be a big company like now.
Yes.
Okay, that's very great. Okay, I'm curious about. Okay, as we know that you are very success, and of course your journey is not easy, right?
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
so what were the biggest problems you faced at the beginning, and how did you solve them?
Okay, so the biggest challenge I faced was the cost of research and development. You know, building and testing new engines is very expensive,
Oh, yes.
and in the beginning I didn't have many resources. So and I also had to face doubts from people in my industry. They thought that a small company like mine could not succeed in make advanced hybrid
Yes,
hybrid
yes,
engines. But to overcome this, I just focus on creating the results. So I tested many prototypes and evaluate and improve, and then I can make the expected results very, very good.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, the next. Uh, I need to know about a success man's habit. So I'm curious about that. What is one habit or rule that helped your company become successful?
Okay, so for me, the most important principle is persistence with attention to details. So, you know, engines are very, very complex, and even a small mistake can create a big problems. That's why in my company, uh, we uh, we always check and test everything carefully and really focus on the detail.
Oh,
So
yes.
we do not make any mistake for my engine improvement and development. And at the same time, persistence is the key. Uh, you know, uh, with even with a high level of resources, without dedication and passion, we could not be success, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So uh, the other the other habit is you have to be dedicated, passionate, and really disciplined in what you are doing, so that you can make a great result.
Oh, so detail is important for you, right?
Yes.
Okay, wow, that was really inspiring us. Thank you so much, Mr. Alif, for sharing your interesting story and experiences with us today. And I hope we can get a motivation or advice from you that will push young people outside there to uh, have a spirit to start business like you.
Okay, so uh, for everyone who is listening to this podcast, I mean this interview, so you have to uh, just start now to
Start
make a
now.
business. Yes.
Okay, start now. Okay.
Yes, even with a small resources and with small knowledge, but you have to have a big amount of passion in what you're doing. So, uh, in my opinion, what really matters is to take action.
Okay,
Really.
take action. Okay, start now. Take action and don't be scared to start from small things, right?
Yes.
Okay. I believe many people who watch this will learn a lot and feel motivated to start their own business like you. We wish you and your company more success in the future. Thank you again, Mr. Ali, for joining us.
Yes.
Thank you. So, that's enough. See you in the next interview and have a nice day.